Hi everyone, welcome to the 12th class of Inside Chinese Culture. Food has been the heart of Chinese civilization for centuries. There's a saying, fashion is in Europe, living is in America, but eating is in China. The phrase is a testament to the popularity of Chinese food around the world. For Chinese people, food is the first necessity. Today, the common greetings of friends and family in China is still, "Have you eaten yet?" Today in this unit, we'll explore together the fascinating world of Chinese culinary and dietary culture, as well as some of the most alluring Chinese cuisines. We'll first get to know the history and the philosophical principles of Chinese culinary culture, and after that, some essential factors of Chinese cuisine, and then two regional representatives of Chinese cuisine. And we will conclude the class with a brief comparison of Chinese and Western culinary culture in the final section, East meets West. Now let's start with the first topic of the unit, the history of Chinese culinary culture. In China, food and its preparation has been developed so highly that it has reached the status of an art form. This art has been cultivated and refined over thousands of years. Archaeologists find from the late Neolithic Longshan culture that the ancestors of modern Chinese were already using a variety of pottery vessels, such as tripods and steamers, for cooking food 4,000 years ago. The history of Chinese culinary dates back to the 15th century BC during the Shang dynasty. The bronze pot, chopping board, knives, and shovels unearthed at the Yin ruins in Anyang, Henan province, are evidence that the Chinese developed sophisticated cooking methods as early as 3,000 years ago. The earliest cookbook in the world was circulated in China almost 1,500 years ago during the Southern and Northern dynasties, showing that the art of food preparation had already become subject of study. When it comes to the philosophical principles of Chinese culinary culture, probably not many people have realized that the two dominant philosophies of Chinese culture, namely Confucianism and Taoism, influenced the development of Chinese culinary art greatly. Both Confucius and Laozi mentioned the topic of food and cooking in their teachings during the late Zhou dynasty. It was Confucius that was more concerned with the artistic and social aspects of cooking and eating, while the Taoist school developed the hygienic and nutritional science of food. As we can easily notice, a Chinese dish usually consists of more than one ingredient. That is because Chinese food philosophy advocates harmonious balance in mixing different ingredients and flavors, creating a complementary contrast of different colors, shapes, aroma, textures as well. For centuries, Chinese cooks and chefs, even housewives, have understood the importance of the harmonious balance in the dishes they make. This has a lot to do with the influence of Confucianism and Taoism ideas. Confucius encouraged the blending of ingredients and flavorings to become a cohesive dish. Harmony was his priority. He believed and taught that without harmony of ingredients, there could be no taste. He also emphasized the importance of presentation and the use of color, texture, and decorations of the dish. Most importantly, cooking became an art rather than a task to be endured, and certainly he was instrumental in proposing the philosophy of live to eat rather than eat to live. On the other hand, Taoism encouraged research into the nourishment aspects of food and cookery. Rather than concentrating on taste and appearances, Taoists were more interested in the hygienic and nutritional properties of food. For example, the philosophy of yin and yang balance practically governs all aspects of Chinese life, of course, including what and how to eat and cook. Some food is considered to possess yang property, while other food yin property. The food of yin possesses a cooling quality, while the food of yang possesses some hot quality. When our body is not balanced, illness will follow. Therefore, we need to eat the right kind of food to redress balance so as to keep healthy. Another idea is that the Taoists believe that all food are also medicine. Food is not only vital for providing energy and nutritional benefits, but also for its medicinal purposes and properties. This is known as therapy by diet. It is believed that whatever we eat has influence on the human body, and some things are more effective in treating certain kinds of ailment and illnesses. Many ingredients such as herbs, fungus, and plants are used in the cooking by the Chinese to not only make the food tasty, but also make the medicinal properties absorbed by the body to prevent and cure illness. For example, it's believed by the Chinese people that ginger is a very good source of treating and avoiding cold. Another example is that Chinese emphasize that the nutritional and medicinal value of vegetables shall be preserved and not be destroyed by overcooking, particularly by boiling. Okay, now we are approaching the end of part 1, the history and philosophical principles of Chinese culinary culture. Thank you.